Rapido. Let's have a look. Rapido. Oh, he's got garages. How much is this? 60. 80 grand. Small. That's a nice big garage in that. That's what we want, big garages. Plenty of stuff in there. Rapido. Ducato. Caravan. A-class, distinct, premium. These are the premium luxury. Luxury price as well. 150 grand on sale. Bargain. Bargain, half the price. Yeah, worth, lithium battery worth 1,004. Show price 90 grand. 90 grand to offer.
Oh yeah, big oak booster boost. Not a problem.
100 grand for that, man. Oh God, man. 100 grand. Right, let's carry on. Oh, we'll go down this way. So, yeah. Have a look what we got down this side. Closures.
Oh, follow Nanny.
Right, switch off for a minute. Best car, they're all Caravans. Coachman. Let's give you a quick look round the Caravans, which is not my cup of tea, but more of a motorhome person. $845, that's nice. Very expensive. I think we looked at that one. Yeah, I think we've done most of this. Swift. So 694. Yeah, beautiful in here. This is a Swift. Look at this, beautiful. I do like the greys. Matte finish on the table. Less of the shiny, blingy stuff. Bathroom, toilet. Double bed. Everything you need. There's a little latch down there. I don't know how that fixes or how that. So I can't see in the shower for some reason. Is it up? I'm trying to think how you. I'm not sure how you're supposed to. Move this one. I don't know. Ah, that's it. It is just a catch. It's obviously tight. There's your shower unit. Nice. Beautiful. Lovely, that is. Nice layout, 694. I don't know why they've locked that. It's not good.
No, it's too single bed.
Yeah. That's bad. Why they've not opened that, I don't know. That's nice in there, that garage. Nice space there. Yeah. So Swift. Let's have a look from the back. 684. This is a Swift. 684. Escape. Let's have a look from the front. Beautiful inside. Yes. It's nice. It is nice, that is. The garage. 684, 694. Oh, 584 Swift. And I wonder if they've got the garage open on this. Probably not. Let's have a check. Yeah, oh yeah, they have. You can see nice big garage on there. Have a look inside. Check it all out. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, nice. You can have a look inside. This one. Going with the grey and the matte. A little bit of blingy on the handles. Not a fan of that, but not as much as there was. They've gone more for the sort of matte satin finish. Darkish greys, shows up less stains, and you've got to think this is you know, showpiece. You've got to think when you're using these, and you've got 2, 3 people in here, whatever, it's being used daily. It's yeah. Not a fan of these cookie doors. Showers, nice. 2 single beds in there, which I suppose you could make into a big double. I presume you've got plenty of cupboard space. Automatic fridge, little freezer, which I'm not a fan on, for a big freezer. Yeah, but it's all there. Voyager. There you go. Swift 494, getting a bit smaller. 70 grand. Yeah. Voyager. Travel Master. It's got a nice big garage on it. Let's just check the garage. This one's locked. You've not got the garage open on this one, mate?
Sorry?
Can you open the garage on this one?
If it is open.
No, there's a few of them that's locked, so I don't know why.
Oh, we've got all stuff in there.
Oh, right, yeah, but see, that's a big feature that people want to see. Yeah, it's a big feature.
The desk,
yeah. Shame. Yeah, that is a shame because, like I say, you know, you're paying £121,000, you want to be able to look in the garage. But unfortunately they've got it locked because they've got kit in there, which is not very good. Considering it's a show and they want to show these vehicles off and the price they're asking. See this one, see, people want to look in here. These are big features that people need to see. And if, you know, a lot of them are locked and you can't see, it's a lot of money you're paying. The Swift, nice big garage there. There's quite a few big garages I've noticed, a few models. Swift Escape. Yeah. Right, that'll do, I think. Yeah. Is this locked again? Yeah, that's no good. You know, these are features you want to see, and their garages are locked. You know, it's not good at all, I'm afraid. And you can't say to people, oh well, maybe next time. I mean, this is the show, this is what you come for, this is what you need to, you know, access all areas, as they say. And like I say, garage is a big feature. Yeah, shame. Yeah. Hello, sir. I just wanted to make a comment about some of these vehicles here. I mean, the prices you're asking and the features, the garage, they're locked. You can't even look in them. And I asked a gentleman down there, and basically he said to me, "Oh, well, it's got gear in there." Okay. Well, the thing is, this is a show.
Left-hand travel master is open. It's identical boot, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And if the gentleman wants
Is it
to
the...
No, but what I'm saying is I'm pointing out the fact that this is a show you're showing people are paying to look at these vehicles, and they're expensive.
Yeah.
You know, and a lot of the garages are locked, and that's a big feature.
Yeah, no, but I think if there's an example here to show, then it helps. Again, with some of the dealer stands, there's nowhere to store some of the brochures and things, so just utilising the space. But
yeah, but the thing is, that's a big feature of the vehicle.
Yes, I always open them up anyway.
Yeah, but like you said, if you've already used that space, it's not showing the space off to people that want to buy.
I tend to have one open and one closed, but I've just literally emptied
Yeah,
everything out of
just a
one.
comment anyway.
Yes,
So,
we'll take it
you
on
know,
board. Thank
okay,
you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's like I say, it's just a shame, you know, that, you know, these vehicles, they're here for show, and like he says, some of the, you know, the stuff they've brought with them, they said they've got nowhere else to store the stuff, but they're putting it in the garages. Well, I mean, they said if you ask that they'll open the garage, but do you want to see, you know, these vehicles that are on show, open the garage up and it's full of their, you know, brochures or whatever? You want to be able to see, you know, the feature you're buying, which is if you're looking for a garage, you want to see what that space offers you. Anyway, that's enough on that. That's just something to point out. As like I say, there you go. That's it. It shows you the space. People are interested in this, you know. People want to see it. So when you know, come up with excuses, it's not really good, because like I say, this is the show. This is the time to show these vehicles off and the space they've got inside. And if people are going to be travelling far and wide, they're going to want garage space, and they're going to see what space you get for your money and what you can fit in there, not what's already been put in there. Let's try this one out. Here, I don't know, that's open, this probably just needs a key, but like I say, you can't open it, which is a shame. And then you've got this one here. You know, like I say, you've got one vehicle open, yeah, but they're different vehicles, different garages. Anyway, enough said. Right, I'm going to head to Hall 2 now, I think. We've had a whip round here. Had a whinge about the locked garages. We go up to Hall 2, see what we can find up here. See who we can upset. Right, back in a sec.